I had been wanting an El Camino for a long time. Since my brother told me about the Black Keys album El Camino.
Great value on a 1994 used, fully loaded El Camino. It's ready to roll on out of here.
And we thought the El Camino was the wood panel van on the cover. So I wanted one ever since, and I had peered through the window of the barn that it was in, but I had never actually seen the car up close, nor had I seen the one side of the car that was just terrible. So this was really a negotiation and purchase without ever seeing the car physically.
Here you go! Ah, you're gonna tear my arm off! God damn it, you're gonna run me over!
He wanted like 7. Talked him down to 1,800. I deem myself a little bit of a negotiator.
Are we rolling?
Yeah.
Now we're rolling. When we first went to see it, it looked like dog.
Chevrolet El Camino. Distinctive, isn't it?
That thing was gross. You had to bootleg a U-Haul to get it home. You said you put in your name and you made me pay for it.
I deem myself a little bit of a negotiator. Look at that. It's up, hooked onto the back of the U-Haul, amped up. And how you feeling about working on it today?
Pure negative outlook, because it looked like crap. Feeling pumped up, fired up.
Yeah, V8, dual exhaust. This side's a little rough, but we'll see what it looks like when we clean it up. It's not even noon, and we got the car unloaded. Look at how much freaking junk and grime was on this, the difference. Isn't that insane, dude? Yeah.
I was like, there's no way we're getting anything done on this thing. Because I never worked on a car, ever. But, I mean, you worked on some, but not to this extent. Thing looked like rust on wheels.
I think that I'm always on the money with my projects. I'm pretty sure, you know, when it comes to this car, I was right where I needed to be. I was in the pocket. I honestly thought that I'd maybe go through a tiny tub of Bondo fixing little parts of it, a little bit of sanding. I honestly thought I could have done this in a week.
We didn't know what the hell we were doing from the start to finish. We just sort of did stuff.
Doesn't say. I mean, the engine's right there. It's got to be oil.
We put it in the wrong spot about, what, twice? We never siphoned it out either. It's still in there, so the fact that it's still running is crazy.
We didn't cut any corners. We did everything by the book. I think we followed pretty much what any professional body shop would do. We had never worked on a Chevy before, especially a small block. I had never owned a carbureted car, so it was a little different, but I think the whole time I had a really good handle on the situation.
Like I said, Bobby, all he does is talk. He just talks a lot. But I mean, like, leadership-wise, he gets a whole F.